We got snowstorm today, December 15, Wednesday, 2021. How are you, my dear parish family and friends? After my 8:30 Mass here at St. Anthony Mount Shasta, I was prepared to go to MacLeod for the 12 noon Mass and for the Advent Communal Penance at 4 p.m. But then I received text and call from parishioners in MacLeod, St. Joseph. So I decided to cancel the Mass and the communal penance, for it is not safe to go up the hill this snowstorm. And I heard that it will last until 10 p.m. And so this is the kind of life we have here in Northern California during winter time. And so I want you to stay home, stay warm, be safe, and be healthy. It's fun to live in the snow, but it also entails a lot of work and a lot of challenges. I just want to extend my gratitude to the Postal Service here in Mount Shasta for all the work they do. I would like to thank Brian for he always comes to deliver our mail every day, even during a snowstorm. May God bless you all.